Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Hey, I'm looking at these two renewed espresso machines, the Philips 3200 with LatteGo and the Breville Barista Touch. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. Both super automatic, right? So like, minimal effort for good coffee?
Exactly. The Philips is listed as iced coffee and has 5 presets, and it makes iced coffee. The Breville has pre-programmed settings for espresso, americano, latte, flat white, and cappuccino.
Okay, cool. The Philips 3200 is going for $599. How much is the Breville?
Actually, the Breville is currently unavailable. Bummer. It's also a bit heavier, 26.2 pounds, compared to the Philips 21.6 pounds. So moving it around might be a pain.
Good to know. What about the grinders? I've heard that makes a big difference.
The Philips boasts ceramic grinders that are supposed to last for 20,000 cups. They say it extracts the best aroma. The Breville has a stainless steel conical grinder, and you can adjust the grind setting.
Adjustable grind sounds nice for dialing in the perfect shot. What about milk frothing? I love a good latte.
The Philips has the LatteGo system, which uses cyclonic frothing. They claim it creates silky smooth microbubbles. The Breville has automatic milk frothing and a steam wand.
Steam wand gives you more control, I guess. Anything else stand out?
The Philips has an aroma seal to keep beans fresh, and the brew group is fully removable for easy cleaning. The Breville has PID temperature control for consistent brewing and a TFT color touchscreen.
A touchscreen is fancy, but easy cleaning is always a plus. What about size?
The Philips is 17DX 10 inches, WX 15 inches H, while the Breville is 16.5x 15.5x 15.5 inches. The Breville has a bigger footprint.
Even though the Breville has that cool touchscreen and adjustable grind, the Philips sounds pretty good, especially with its iced coffee feature and being available and cheaper. Plus, easier cleaning is a big win for me.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.